Pixies and Daisies, welcome back to Mythical Hues. If you are new to this channel, hello, this is Amukta. I'll be doing all the makeup looks which are natural and also the dramatic glam looks. Also, I'll be doing face art and body paint videos also, mostly in my Instagram because YouTube doesn't, many people don't find it useful. And I'll also show some skincare videos sometimes because I have acne prone skin, so I need a skincare that suits me. Also, I'll be posting few lifestyle videos also. So please subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely sure that you'll find it helpful. In today's video, we'll be doing the Ajio haul. I'm very much excited because I bought all the loungewear t-shirts. Most of them are t-shirts because I got it from as low as 50 rupees. So without any further ado, let's shoot into the video. Also, a disclaimer before itself, I personally bought them from my own money. This is not a sponsored one, and I've watched them already like couple of times, each and everything. I've worn everything and tested them out. Everything is of excellent quality, so there's no drawback for that. So let's start with the haul. So the first one is this oversized polka dot cotton shirt. It has buttons in front and this has full sleeves, and this is of this much length, almost to my thighs, as you can see in the try and haul. And I'll be mentioning the prices which I bought and what is the MRP on the screen itself, so please refer to them because I don't remember the pricings because I bought them almost a month or 2 months before. Okay, I have been collecting them. Okay, so this one I love it. You can style it with a belt, or you can just wear it like a jacket if you want, and otherwise like you can just leave it like an oversized shirt which is now trending, or you can style it with a jegging or a workout pants, like black one especially, and wear with a white sneaker or a black one, which will be so nice. Also, this is not a transparent one, as you can see. It's not at all transparent, but it is preferable if you wear a gray color or a black or a nude color bra inside, or a tank top, anything will do. So this is the first one. Second one is this cotton, almost cottony but a mix of lycra, I think. This is a t-shirt, plain t-shirt, like a classic t-shirt with small sleeves, and this is of the size medium. It has heart print all over, which is so cute, and this is in the size medium. And medium is 92 centimeters, it seems. This fits me like a glove. It's not loose, it is body fitting size. So if you prefer a little loose or anything, you can size up. And I usually I'm like not comfortable with body hugging ones, and because this is a transparent one. Okay, not fully transparent, but yeah, you can see what you have worn inside if you wear white one. So it's preferable if other than white, you can wear black or a gray one or a medium. And the next one is a kind of kurta, but not kurta type. This is from the brand Fig. I bought it for around 50% off, I think, and it has these strings in the side which you can pull, like this. You can pull them and tighten them from around the waist, so it will accentuate your waist. And this is also a long one, similar to that white shirt which I mentioned earlier. And this is in the size medium, same 92 centimeters. This also comes near my thigh area, so you can wear a legging or a jegging or a workout pant, tights. I mean tights, beneath this, and style as you wish. Cute powder blue t-shirt like thing. This is oversized one. I mean, not fully oversized, quite loose to me. And this is also in the size medium in the brand DNMX. This has full hand sleeves with a button here, so you can roll up the sleeves, and from inside you'll get a tag, something like this. So to the button present outside, you can just roll and put it like this. And this is in the size medium, as I mentioned. This is also a mix of cotton and lycra, the that t-shirt material you'll get. No, so it's not pure t-shirt material, but it's a mix of cotton and that lycra material. So, and these are openable buttons. Yeah, so you can open them and you can button it as you wish. And it has a pocket here. So you can style with anything you like, with jeans or whatever. It's just a relaxed fit one, okay? So it doesn't accentuate your shape or anything. It's just a relaxed fit. This t-shirt in the size L from the brand Fig only. This is also a blue one. I don't know why I bought so many blue ones. And the hands are of three, like half hands, till here it will come. And for the hands, they have this elastic here, which are not quite stretchable, but it, enhances the details to the hands. That's what it is. This comes around the hip area, like the length of the t-shirt comes around the hip one around hip area. Yeah. So this is in the size L. I mean, also this is also a mixture of cotton and lycra. This it will become loose, so it is like it is preferable if you go exactly your size. I don't know why I took L. Maybe it was out of stock. I think I don't remember. So this is the dark blue t-shirt. So the next one is this cute pink t-shirt. This is a 3/4 sleeve which has bell hands like this, and it is in the size medium, and this is from brand Suga Active, and this is so much stretchable but not thin. Okay, the material is not thin, and this also comes around my hip area and like the length. This is a relaxed fit one, so this also doesn't accentuate, like it's not body hugging. Okay, also this is in the size medium, as you can see, but it looks like large. So if you want little body hugging type or little exactly to your size, go a size down. And the next one is my favorite till so far. This is from the brand Fig, and surprisingly the size is of S. Let me show you. um, so wait. So this is a floral t-shirt, and this is purely lycra. I think there is no cotton mix. I think this is quite stretchable, and this is quite see-through, but you can manage. It's not pure see-through that whatever you wear inside will be visible. I don't know what. And I love this. This is also a relaxed fit, but somehow this is quite loose. The size S fits me, but usually I'm of size medium. So this is the story of this t-shirt. So go a size down for your fit. And you know what, this half sleeves has this small tiny detailing of this little bit of flare sleeves, like bell sleeves, but not pure bell sleeves. So that's the one, that's the reason why I love. So the next one is this white t-shirt, which has a 3/4 sleeve or a full sleeve if you're short. And this is in the size, what is the size of this, medium. This is very see-through. You need to wear, I mean, you need to be cautious what you wear inside. See, from back you can see the print. I don't know why it's not catching here. And this has the print as nice try, let's do it again. I'm shooting from the front camera, that's why you will be seeing this in the reverse. This is quite body hugging. I mean, like, this doesn't add any shape, but it's a square shirt, like a rectangle one. There is no shape for this t-shirt, which is why I don't like. But this is from the brand Rio, which is good brand. And that's it for this t-shirt. And the next one is this overcoat. This is blue one in the size medium. This is from Fig brand, and this has 3/4 sleeves, not full, 3/4. And also they gave this mock button and this detailing. This is see-through, quite see-through, and just on tank tops, you can wear this, or any sleeveless shirts or t-shirts or whatever. It's your wish. So this is the story of this. And also this came like around 100 or 110, I don't know. It was very cheap. Final reveal is this yellow dress, which I love. This was around 700. I remember this because I love this. As you can see in the trial on, this is my favorite one. And the sleeves has this flabby thing. it's quite airy and all, and it's a wraparound dress, so only around the waist they stitched it, but around the bust and for the legs they didn't stitch, to close the entire dress. So be cautious, you need to wear something inside, because till your waist, like upper waist, just below the bust, it will be open. So wear something inside, otherwise you'll flash somebody else. And also they gave this tie-up thingy, and at the back they gave the elastic one, so that fits correctly to your waist, and this accentuates your figure like chef's kiss. I love this dress for the reason. That is the reason. And also I washed this around 2-3 times because I've worn it outside, and the quality has not at all deteriorated, and this has another color also. I think it's in the color blue, and these are the shirts, t-shirts, and the dress which I bought from Ajio. Also, if you want me to buy any other outfits from Ajio to review, please mention down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this among your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you cannot miss any of my future videos, which will be very interesting, I promise. Also, tell me which t-shirt you liked, which one you did not, and if you did not like the video, you can press the thumbs down button. It's okay, I always welcome healthy criticism. Also, if you want to follow me in Instagram, this is my the handle name and all, everything is mentioned in the description box. Follow me there to watch entertaining videos, the transitions, the makeup on the face paint, body art, and whatnot. I'll be doing all the dramatic looks. Recently I did the Rakta Chirta one, which I've posted in the YouTube also, just to gain the subscribers, the cup kurti and all, because I have below 100 subscribers, and I bet this video will not cross 100 or 200 videos. Please, yeah, watch this. Please subscribe to my channel. Please press the like button. I'm doing very much hard work for this YouTube thing. Anyways, enough of cheesy lines. So that's it for today's video. I hope you really loved it. See you in the next one. Wingardium Leviosa.